Content of this video: reason for ORS, why you need to act fast in children, how to prepare it. The water content of our body contains electrolytes and non-electrolytes. They help to regulate essential body processes and function, so any imbalance in them can cause havoc. The number one cause of death in diarrhea and vomiting is loss of this fluid. ORS replaces this fluid. Loss of this fluid, which is dehydration, can also be caused by fever and excessive sweating. There are reasons why you need to act faster in children. The water body content of an adult is 60%. That of a child is about 65%. Infant 70% and newborn 79%. Due to infants and children's higher body water content, their higher body surface area and amount of energy they require for their metabolism, they need, compared to adults, greater volumes of water to maintain this fluid balance, and are therefore more likely to face greater consequences like death from rapid loss of this fluid. This is a 50 cl soft drink bottle. This is Pepsi brand. There are other brands you can see in Nigeria like Coke, Mirinda. In Nigeria, we can have access to a 60 cl beer bottle and a 35 cl soft drink bottle and a medicine cup. Liquid drugs, both for adults and children, do come with medicine cup. You can keep it at home because you never know when you will need it. If you don't have a medicine cup, you can use a teaspoon. A teaspoon has 5 ml capacity. You measure it out 10 times to give 15 ml of water. Along this video, I will show the difference between a teaspoon and a tablespoon. Please take your time and subscribe to this channel, like and share. Click the bell icon to get notification anytime I post, because there are a lot of things that are unique to blacks, Africans and Nigeria that have not been touched. You get notifications on such. That's a 150 cl water bottle, which is 1.5 liter. Divide it into 3 parts. Pour 2/3 into a container. In this case, I'm using a jug. Note the marks when pouring the water. The normal spoon adults used to eat in Nigeria is a tablespoon, and that's not what to be used. Use a teaspoon. To prepare the ORS, add a teaspoon of salt and 6 teaspoons of sugar to the 1 liter measured out. Glass containers are preferable to plastics, but in the end, you can use a safe plastic. If you want to use a bottle to prepare the ORS, divide it into 3 parts, pour away 1/3, so that roughly 1 liter remains in the bottle. Use the 1 liter to prepare the ORS.